it's Brittany, Britannia 718. Nope, you don't have to adjust your screen. I am actually here. Welcome back to my channel. I know, I have no excuse. It's been a while, and yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. I just wanted to pop on to say hello. Also, just to give you guys an update. So it's been 15 years. 15 years that I've had my Sisterlocks, and it's still by far the best decision I've ever made in my life. I have no plans on cutting my hair or combing out my locks. I know a lot of the lock girlies are taking out their locks and going to natural hair or permed hair. Either way, whatever journey they choose, awesome for them. Me, unless something's medically necessary, then I probably am going to go forever. I'm just kidding, as long as I can with my hair. So I don't know if you guys remember, but one of my goals was to get my hair to team butt crack. And let me just tell y'all, I'm at the under part of my booty. So I have definitely gotten to butt crack and a little bit below than that too, or a little lower than that as well. So I do want to say this. There's one thing that I'm considering doing. Brace yourself, prepare yourself. It's nothing too drastic, but at some point I am going to trim my hair. It is getting a little too long. Y'all, when I go to a public restroom, because you don't, at least I'm not sitting on a public toilet, no thanks. But whenever I go to a public restroom, I really have to wrap my hair, when I'm in the position, I have to wrap my hair around my hands so this way it doesn't touch the ground, because no thanks. Bathroom hair, absolutely not. Eek, can't do it. I don't know when, I don't know how much shorter, but just know I am going to trim it at some point. I'm giving y'all a heads up. I just need y'all to just trust the process, because y'all have been with me when my hair was that long, right? So 15 years, here we are, and I'm way past butt crackling. I am gonna put some pictures in so you guys can see where I'm at. But yeah, this is me. Oh, I added some jewels in my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. I'm gonna add some more. Hold on. So if you see little flecks of things, it's not like dirt or anything. I have one, two here or there in some of my locks, and then I have one that hold on, I want to find it. So I also have this one that has way more lock seeds or lock beads on here. I use needle and thread. Yeah, nothing else about it. I've seen some people have ones that you can slide, rings that you can slide onto your locks. That hasn't really been successful for me, but I like my little sprinkles. I'm gonna add some more. I'm definitely gonna show you guys how I add them, just in case if y'all have questions. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come in and give you guys a quick little update. You will be seeing me soon. Trust me, I'm working on it. But yeah, y'all know where to follow me. Instagram, Facebook. Well, actually, no, I think my Facebook page. I don't know what happened to it. Twitter, TikTok, all that jazz. I'm on there. I'll put the links below. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Tell your mama and them I said to subscribe too. And I'll see y'all soon. Later.